Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Viber channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Viber and locate the channel you want to delete from your list. Go ahead and tap on it to open the channel. This will take you into the main channel view where you can see all the posts and activity. Once you're inside the channel, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots there, which is the menu icon for additional options. Tap on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various channel management options. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Channel Info. This option gives you access to all the details and settings related to this specific channel, including member information, channel description, and importantly, the option to manage your membership. After tapping Channel Info, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen displaying all the channel details. This section contains everything from the channel's creation date to privacy settings and member management options. Now you'll need to scroll down through this Channel Info panel. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom section where the administrative options are located. This is where Viber places the more critical actions related to channel management. As you scroll down, you'll find an option labeled Leave and Delete. This is the key option you're looking for, as it allows you to both leave the channel and completely delete it from your Viber account. Go ahead and tap on Leave and Delete to proceed with removing the channel. Once you tap this option, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Viber's way of making sure you really want to delete the channel, as this action cannot be undone. The message will ask you to confirm that you want to leave and permanently delete this channel from your account. To finalize the deletion, tap Leave and Delete one more time in the confirmation pop-up. This confirms your decision and Viber will immediately process the deletion, removing the channel from your account completely. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Viber channel and it's now completely removed from your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.